This is going to be a video product review of the Ripple protein powder. It is a pure plant protein powder. Now if you check out my channel, I already did a review. I did a comparison of the Ripple vanilla 20 gram pure plant protein powder versus the Orgain plant powder. And if you watched the video, if you definitely watched the video and you heard my reaction when I took a taste of the Orgain, first I smelled the Orgain before I drank it, and then I tasted it, and then I kept on tasting it, shocked that somebody could sell a product that tasted so bad. Let's get the scooper in here. This might be better if you're doing it in a Vitamix or a Blendtec. But if you are, I don't know how much residual stuff you're going to leave on the sides. I just have this in a little shaker. Makes it a little easier. If you use a shaker, make sure you press down on the top and snap it on there so it doesn't spill all over the place. So I'm going to shake my shaker. Shakety shake, 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 shake. It looks kind of watery, but you know, that's what's going to happen. If you're going to put it in a blender or a malt mixer or something, you might get a little thicker, richer thing. Maybe if you mix it with some coconut milk, which I would never, or coconut water, whatever that is. Now, what am I saying? Almond milk. I don't know that almond milk is going to taste good on this. It might. I hate almond milk. The Ripple milk or a Ripple milk substitute would probably be amazing in here. I've heard it's absolutely delicious. But I'm strictly going with water right now, so it's nice and mixed. Unlike a lot of protein powders, this stuff doesn't clump in there. Other protein powders, not only does it clump, but when you drink it, and it clogs up your pipes in your system and makes it very difficult for you to get rid of some stuff that's in you. And I didn't notice that with the plant-based. Plant-based diet really is good on that area of your body. So here we go. We're over at the refrigerator and it's all mixed up, and you're going to hear the reaction because sound is important on a video. You know, what can I say? It smells like a plant protein drink. It's not disgusting. It has a nice chocolate aroma to it. It has a really good chocolate smell to it. Very, very good. Maybe even better than the vanilla. And it doesn't have that stinky plant protein smell that you'll get from vitamins or some of the plant-based things out there. So let me taste it right now. The smell is good. And like I said, that Orgain stuff or whatever that thing is, yikes. Just the smell of it was disgusting. Here we go. So if the company's having me do this, which they're not, but if the company wanted me to do oh yeah, this is the greatest thing in the world, it's not bad. It has a nice taste to it. It has a mild chocolate taste. It has a mild chocolate flavor. And because I'm doing this with water, when you make any protein powder, whether it's vegan, plant-based, or not, if you do water, you're going to get a watery type taste to it. So let me taste this again. And for me, I would rather put up with not the most amazing taste to be able to avoid 200 more calories from a milk substitute or a Ripple milk or something like that. If I had it, I would probably do that on occasion to make a nice chocolatey, cold milkshake type drink. Maybe put some blueberries and some strawberries in there, and one more well, it's almost gone. You know, you get a few sips out of this thing. And still drinking it. It definitely has a watery taste, which is obvious. It has 10 ounces of water, so maybe that's why. And we're done. We are done. So, what's my opinion? My opinion, if I wasn't, oh, this is new and improved, I just noticed that up there on the vanilla. If I didn't use the water, this would definitely be absolutely amazing and incredible. And the water choice is mine, so it's going to cut back on the flavor a little bit. I wish they had more flavors. I wish they had a little bit stronger flavor extract in there to really give it a more potent, powerful flavor without adding any sugars or alternate sugar substitutes. Just a way to make it a little more flavorful. And other flavors besides chocolate and vanilla. I thought that I would like the chocolate better, but I have to say it comes out about even. I would say the vanilla is the one that I'll buy after I finish the chocolate. Even though I like chocolate, I ate a chocolate candy bar yesterday. Not the best thing for me, but I had a little bit of chocolate. But the chocolate, because of the water, that's the whole thing. Because of the water, if you're not going to use water, if you're going to use the Ripple milk with it, then the chocolate is probably going to make you very happy. If you are strictly going with water, I would say go with the Ripple vanilla, or do what I did. You know, it's not inexpensive, as I said, and this stuff's not cheap. Vegan eating, plant-based diet is not cheap, not inexpensive, but it's good for you, and it's as I said, I lost 31 pounds. I think this morning 32. So it's good for you. And you're going to need to get your protein. So my favorite one, I'm definitely going to say, is the vanilla. I do wish that it had stronger chocolate and vanilla flavors in them like the non-plant-based powders do. That would be a massive selling point. But you're not going to get what you want when you're dealing with plant-based protein products. So, chocolate, number 2, vanilla, definitely the number 1. I will continue to buy this. Now that I bought it, I noticed, when I drank it, I noticed I wasn't feeling as lightheaded, and I wasn't feeling as weak and lack of energy from going to the vegan diet. I cut my calories way back, and I started eating a lot less of a lot of things that your body is expecting. So it's been a huge transition, but doing the Ripple pure plant protein powder is an addition that I want to make to my daily diet, and I would totally suggest buying one or the other or both of these and do a taste test like I did. And my suggestion, don't buy the Orgain powder. I don't think you're going to be happy. I just don't. I don't know. People are buying that stuff. I don't think you're going to be happy. Not only that, but Ripple is about 40 calories less per serving than Orgain. So, Ripple chocolate, Ripple vanilla, something you definitely want to buy. Test it out. Again, go to my video description. I'm going to leave a link to Amazon. If you click on that link, take you straight to Amazon. It will help me out. It will help you out a little bit, and you'll be able to do your order. And even if you're not going to buy it, and even if you're not going to buy it, still click on that link before you go to your Amazon purchases, and it will help me out. Thank you.